Okay, YouTube, here with the family. Oh yeah. So there's my mom. This is what it's been all about. It's her right here. So we want to show her the surprise right now with all the family. So let me go inside, and there it is. It's not completely done yet.
It's a light blue, but like I learned how to drive.
So
fun.
we tried a 30-day restoration challenge. We're on 24 days of working on it.
Oh,
and
man.
This is what you have.
That is awesome.
So me and Adam have been busting our butts. Everyone has contributed. We've reupholstered seats. It's not starting today. So
that is awesome.
We got it the day you were here visiting. So I had to hide it, so I couldn't show you the shop.
Oh,
because all of a sudden they delivered it that day.
Oh, stuff's in the way. Oh, I took that beam down.
This is why. Okay? And we kept you out of it until everyone could be here and see it.
And we had to put it kind of...
Alright, Mom, how is it?
It's awesome. Okay, so this is my hippie mirror attachment, you know, to go in my little
So we got it started.
bug.
Minor wiring issue. It started because we got the wrong thing. We took it around the block in it. Oh yeah. Cool. How's that?
Sweet. She loves it.
Now you can drive her. And I'll take a video. Yeah. I'm all hop. Gonna pull it in? No, we want to take pictures. No, we put diesel in it to clean it out. So we need to back that sucker back up.
Oh,
just put her in neutral.
Picture too.
Okay, how is it, Mom?
I think this will be a lot of fun. I'm so excited.
Was it a great surprise?
It was a big surprise, totally unexpected.
Yes, that's what we planned for. Alright guys, we're out for now. Alright guys, there you had it. It was a great night, and hopefully you can see how excited my mom really was. And it's awesome that we could do this for her, and that all of my brothers and sisters could pitch in, and we can all work on giving my mom this cool gift. So as you can see, we did not make it. We have 6 days of working, but now we gave it to her. We're not going to rush it. We're going to make sure we do a good job. I think we're going to take a little more time, get some more money together, try to just get some of the new fenders, maybe this new hood, because they're just bad. They're just beat up too bad. I don't take a lot of Bondo and stuff like that, and I don't really want that. So definitely was awesome. It was awesome to be with all my family, and it's fun that I can share, I don't know if skills, but my hobbies and things that I like to do and do for other people. And so it's been cool that I can work on this car. Cool to work on it with my brother, be able to put a lot of time and energy in it together, that we can get it ready for my mom. So again, thanks for tuning into this series. It is not over, okay guys? We still got stuff to do. Now we're not just so rushed to get it more complete before she showed up to give it to her, because she'll be going back to the Midwest. We'll have time to work on it more, make sure it's all legit, finish getting the headliner and the carpet in, sorting out some of the parts we got weren't right, so we got to send some stuff back and get it switched around. So this kind of takes a lot of the stress off of me, so I can work on sending stuff back and getting the right stuff sent to me, so we can get this together. So again, thanks for tuning in to this episode of Wide Open Throttle. Hopefully you like the series so far. Back there is what I'm working on next, and have a little reveal video for you soon. It looks like a dump because it is a dump. There's a lot of ghetto stuff done to it, but there also is some gems hidden in it. So we'll show you that in a little bit later. But for now, the old bug is getting it together. We're gonna keep going, keep getting it fixed. Again, make sure you like and subscribe, and thanks for following along. It was awesome to give my mom her dream car. So thanks for tuning in.